5 years ago, we made a decision that would change everything, and not just for DryPro, but for the people who power it every day. And the best part is we're just getting started.
DryPro has always been a great company, but the limitations, I think, were really in vertical growth opportunities for the employees. Coming into Groundworks, that really opened the door.
I was no longer worried about the company being able to make it to a 100-year company. I didn't have to worry about my employees being able to have a paycheck next week. I knew that we were going to be able to grow, sustain, and be able to continue to make a difference.
We've had growth, internally, externally, laterally, and vertically. When you can do that as a company and see all those benefits come to fruition, it's an outstanding year.
Prior to the merger, we were serving about 2,500 customers. Now, 5 years later, we're serving about 7,000 customers, and that just speaks to the growth that we've been able to see at DryPro.
Not only do we have the desire to serve the homeowner and stand behind what we say we're going to do, but now we're also financially able to stand behind what we say we're going to do.
It just kind of hits home that we're the fastest growing home service company ever.
With Groundworks, we have a certification program. Through the growth, I went from foreman to commercial solution specialist in this new department, and it has allowed me to take my career to the next level.
The amount of growth that Groundworks offers you, whether it's here at your own branch or whether it's part of the other 76, the sky's the limit, and it's up to you on how you get there.
To be able to have ownership in Groundworks, they all actually have a piece of that growth. They can determine what that looks like in the future by the work they put in, what that means for wealth for them, for their families.
The guys are more excited to come to work. I'm more excited, more driven, more passionate about serving the next client. And then I think it goes out to our customers. They see it.
We all take an ownership mentality and make sure it's done right, the customer's satisfied. All of my co-owners consider that culture sacred.
We've all done better revenue and expanded our growth since we've become Groundworks.
The training at Groundworks has been phenomenal. It's really impacted my growth moving from CFI to ASM to SM.
My wife was in law enforcement, so to be able to bring her home and allow her to stay home and raise our kids has been an absolute blessing.
We've had several employees today who've been able to elevate their situation for not only themselves but their families. Employees being able to put their children through college, being able to buy new homes.
If it wasn't for DryPro and Groundworks, I wouldn't have been able to get the home that I have now. And my next goal is to buy another house, so definitely I'll be able to achieve that here.
You're not walking into a building that's just filled up with walls and employees. You're walking into more of a home that's filled with family members.
It's just truly an honor to work for a company that gives so much to their employees and gives so much back to the community as well.
Originally, the theme on Merge Day was DryPro Stronger. To have that legacy carry on past 100 years, it's a true blessing.